What is up, my parrot-nose-looking fuckfaces? Today we will continue our rampage of owning little-ass kids in Doomspire. This one might be the easiest fucking one. Watch me own these noobs. I'm gonna sweep their tower the fuck up. And they're gonna learn not to mess with Harry Twinkle 2929. I'm gonna piss on this fucking base and make the noobs lick it the fuck up. I died, but no worries. I will still shit on these fuckers anyways. My teammates are fucking NPCs, they're standing still. I'm about to wreck this fucker in a sword duel. Too easy. As I'm fucking green, blue just got pitched. Now it's time for those red fuckers. And damn, they got fucking bitched too. I'm the fucking king of all the Doomspires!